to an all-new episode with Conflicts. Today I'm excited to show you the all-new Soccer Board by TOMY. Now, TOMY's a company we've seen before that makes a lot of great products, such as robots, techs, toys, you name it. Now, this here is actually a very interesting concept just because it allows you to use robots in soccer. And literally they can pass, kick, shoot, even tackle. So seeing what this is all about should be quite some fun. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this thing and see what's on the inside. So this here's our box, and on the right hand side here you do see the two different robots. You get a red one as well as a blue one. You get a set of controllers as well as a set of two different balls for your game. And then over here shows the robot itself kind of kicking the ball in the air, and it says Soccer Borg. So very simple and very self-explanatory. So you can go and use the two different robots and play against each other. Now on the back side here kind of talks about in terms of detail about robotic as well as soccer. And then on the bottom here talks about what they can do. So you can go ahead and dribble, kind of showing like a zigzag pattern, as well as tackle, and it does show the combinations in terms of the buttons go. And then you can go ahead and kick, as well as chip, which is literally kicking the ball in the air. So that's about it in terms of the box goes. So let's go ahead and open this up. So this here is everything that it comes with. So we have ourselves an instruction manual here, kind of tell you exactly how to go set it up. It does mention you need 10 AAA batteries, which is a lot of batteries. But we're gonna go ahead and try this out and kind of see how it all works out. So these here are two different robots. You got your guards, you got your controllers, as well as a sticker pack here to go ahead and decorate your robots, which we'll be doing as well. And you got your set of batteries as well as your goalposts. So let's go ahead and set this thing up and kind of see how it looks complete. Alright, so we're all set and ready to go. So this here's a robot. Now, in terms of functionality goes, so he does kick and then he maneuvers left and right. He's got some LEDs on his head. The arms just kind of swing just like that, although when you do move him a lot, you'll actually see him kind of swing at the same time. But yeah, it's actually got some wheels on the bottom. These here are made out of rubber. And in terms of controls go, so it just goes ahead and turns just like that, and then it'll move forward just like that as well. So just a very basic setup in terms of a robot goes. So you can dribble, you can kick, and then you can pass as well. So let's go ahead and turn them on. And then when you press the on button here to the switch, you'll see the red LEDs blinking. And then let's go ahead and turn the remote on as well. There's a switch right there. And then in terms of controls go, so you have a forward and reverse button right here. So let's go ahead and move the robot back and front, and then you have your spin. So as you can tell, you know, if you hold it, it'll spin faster and faster. And then if you just go ahead and simultaneously press like back and left, it'll spin faster as well. Alright, so the way this thing works is quite simple. So you just go ahead and move up to the ball just like this, and you keep the ball within your hooks just like that. So you can go ahead and take it whichever way you want. And then on the back side of the controllers, there's these little triggers. So you got your left trigger, which kicks your left leg, and you got your right trigger, which kicks your right leg, and then goes right back to its original position. So you just bring it up just like this, and you hit the left trigger, it'll kick that leg, and you click the right trigger, it'll kick like that. So, you know, kind of gives you an idea how that works out. So in terms of kick goes, there's two different kind of kicks. So there's a low kick and a high kick. So this here is our low kick, just like that. And then this here is gonna be our high kick. So it'll kick the ball up just like that as well. So let's go ahead and try kicking the ball into the goal, just to kind of show you how this all works out. So we're gonna go ahead and maneuver the soccer player just like that there. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use the left foot. Oops, I missed. I'm gonna use the right foot now. And we got a goal! So yeah, so you can go ahead and just kind of celebrate by doing one of those right there. So kind of gives you an idea how that's all set up. So with that being said, let's go ahead and set up a game here and play with these Soccer Borgs. Alright, so let's go ahead and play. You guys ready? Go! Oh! The right one has the ball. Oh! Good job! Alright guys, ready? Go! Oh, it went out of bounds. Go! Oh! Just won that one. Alright, so far they're both 1-on-1. Go! Also in play. Oh! Alright, ready? Go! Oh, the ball went out. Oh! Ready? Go! Oh, the ball went out. Oh, got one. Alright, so far blue has 3 and red has 2. Go! Oh. Blue has 4 and red has 2. Ready? Go! Oh! Alright, looks like red has 3 and blue has 4. Ready? Go! So fix that. Oh! Looks like blue wins. Good job, blue. Alright, well there you have it. These soccer boards are a lot of fun. Now the only draw side is that you do need 10 AAA batteries to play this game, but the concept of it is really fun and it's actually very unique. It gives a sense that you can go ahead and use 2 different kind of kicks. So you can go ahead and use a lower kick as well as a high kick, and then you have these different maneuvers that you can do as well, which is really nice. Now overall I do have to say it's actually a lot of fun and definitely well worth the price. It's a great way to go ahead and interact soccer with robotics. But yeah, you know, kind of gives you an idea of what it's all about. Now if you had any questions about this particular Tommy game, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, thank you again for watching and I'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye bye.